Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. Today I'm going to do general reading. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys. Then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. So first we will see general messages regarding your career and finances. Then we will see love messages. Sagittarius Fire Sign. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So recent past, present, future, your present energy under the deck, the hanged man. So I'm seeing success. And in yesterday video also you got success. I think especially in career and finances, you got the message success. But now also I think your success continues here. Six of Wands. So those who didn't get any success, keep working hard, be consistent, don't give up. You're very close to achieving your goal. And Hanged Man, don't feel stuck. Okay, if you feel stuck, you will not move forward. So don't be stuck. Just be present, do your work consistently, you will get your success. So recent past, Nine of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. In recent past, definitely you were focused on your money, you were focused on your business, you were happy because some of you were financially independent. Then also you wanted to create more wealth, maybe wanted to create more money. So you were succeeded in that, definitely. But right now, Three of Swords with Seven of Pentacles, you are not feeling emotionally okay. You're feeling emotionally low because the Hanged Man with Three of Swords. Some of you, maybe right now, you're facing some emotional trauma right now, or you are carrying some past baggage in present. Right now, you're thinking about something about that happened in recent past, and you are in waiting mode. Seven of Pentacles, you are in thinking mode right now, present. Yes, you are planning for some big things, but you are not taking action. You're feeling stuck, you're feeling negative. First you need to heal yourself because Three of Swords is a very uh, low energy. You need to come out of this energy. Future, Two of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. So in future, Two of Pentacles means you will juggle a lot, so you need to balance your time and energy. You need to balance your time, uh, and you need to balance your feelings and emotions also. And Knight of Cups means, yes, you will get big opportunity. Maybe right now you are not seeing that opportunity, but very soon you are going to get that opportunity. Okay, so be in a receiving mode, Sagittarius. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your business and finances. Knight of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Yes, take stand for yourself. Be in a defensive energy. Work hard. Then definitely stability will come because Knight of Pentacles is here. And Two of Cups. Align with yourself completely. Uh, and if you are involved in business, definitely there is mutual understanding and respect between both of you guys, between you and your business partner. Definitely slowly but surely you will get success, you will get financial stability because Knight of Pentacles is here. So be in a receiving mode, think positive. Okay, so let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts, your current thoughts, your person present energy, and your present energy. So your person have a lot of passion towards you, Knight of Wands. They are very, very attracted to you. Maybe some of you right now are in no contact or less contact, but your person really wanna come towards you because they are crazy about you right now. And their feelings, Wheel of Fortune, Queen of Wands, and Ten of Swords. So they're waiting for the right time here. And Queen of Wands, again, they have a lot of passion towards you. Ten of Swords means new beginning. And your present energy is Ace of Swords. You got clarity. You got to know some truth regarding this person or regarding this relationship. You are very serious and you put your 100% efforts in this relationship already. So that's why right now you are taking your power back. You want to be in Emperor energy or Empress energy. But sometimes you're obsessively thinking about your person. So that's why you want to be on your power. You don't want to lose yourself. You want to put yourself first, no matter what. You want to focus on yourself. And sometimes you are thinking that your person is controlling you or controlling the relationship here. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, and some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energies here. So let's see your person next action. King of Cups, Magician, and the Hermit, and Knight of Pentacles. Your person is manifesting you. Maybe they're not talking to you directly, but they're doing manifesting techniques, or if not, they are going to reach out to you very, very soon. They are very, very attracted to you. Yes, they are fantasizing about you. They are going to take action. So let's clarify the Hermit here. See the strength, and let's clarify the Magician. I think your person is trying to hide something from you. So if you have any trust issues, you have to think twice before committing to this person. I'm seeing some trust issues here. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed. Ten of Pentacles, the World, and Nine of Pentacles. I think for some, maybe right now, you both are focusing on yourself. You both want financial stability and family acceptance. So in future, you both will more focus on yourself at the same time thinking about your family. So let's clarify the outcome. Yeah, you both will communicate. I think it depends on you both where this relationship is going, because I'm seeing some communication in near future. Then it depends on you both, because I'm not seeing any major shift here. So let's see what is the advice for you regarding this relationship or situation. Nine of Wands. You have a lot of fears regarding this relationship. You want stability, you want commitment, but you have a lot of fears or trust issues. And Ace of Cups. You are right now focusing on yourself. You are loving yourself. And the Sun card means you are focusing on yourself. You are attracting a lot of abundance, especially material success. Sagittarius, it's your time. If you're really giving your time to your work, definitely you are going to see a lot of abundance into your life in near future. So don't waste your time. Just focus on your work. So let's say energy oracle messages. Door to personal healing and happiness. So if anyone going through some anxiety and depression, the message is you need to heal yourself completely, then happiness will come automatically. And storm warning, something unexpected is going to happen, so be prepared. And happy family, you're going to spend some quality time with your family very, very soon, and some of you are already spending. Don't let pride get in your way. So don't show your attitude or pride to anyone. Okay. And a new start is coming, new moon, definitely for those who are waiting for new start in your career or relationship or in any area of your life. A new start will come. And then your dreams need a practical plan, full moon in Taurus. So if you are dreaming about something big, first you need to have a proper plan, then you need to execute that plan properly, then automatically you will achieve your goal no matter what. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you.